I'm Uncle Wayne, and I'm here with the Family Hui Hawaii to share some songs with you. Now, a friend of mine from Oahu, Miss Shelley, she asked me to do this song. It's a medley. That means it's 3 songs or more, but this one has 3 songs all mushed together to make one song. One of the songs is Bob Marley's song, one of them is Uncle Wayne's song, and another one is an old song about sharing your light. Hey, don't worry about a thing, because every little thing gonna be alright. Don't worry about a thing, because every little thing gonna be alright. Woke up this morning with the rising sun. 3 little birds sat on my doorstep. They were singing sweet songs with a melody pure and true. This is a message for you. Everybody is strong in their own way. Everybody is special. This is what I say. When you look closely, then you will find that special light in everybody that shines. Hey, don't worry about a thing, because every little thing gonna be alright. Don't worry about a thing, because every little thing gonna be alright. Woke up this morning with the rising sun. 3 little birds sat on my doorstep. They were singing sweet songs with a melody pure and true. This is a message for you. Everybody is strong in their own way. Everybody is special. Listen what I say. When you look closely, then you will find that special light in everybody that shines. This little light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. This little light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. This little light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. Let it shine, 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 shine. Sing it with me now. This little light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. This little light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. This little light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. Let it shine, 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 shine. One more time now. This little light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. This little light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. This little light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. Let it shine, 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 shine. Woo! Shine your light. Hey, that was fun. I'll see you next time with the help of Family Hui Hawaii. And remember, hey, 6 feet away and wash your hands. Aloha.